We all know that organizations consist of people. That people can make and break an organization. How can you make an organization? By becoming a talent maker. Do you want to become a talent maker? My research shows that strategic talent management can create a zero-emission workforce. Every organization can become an organization with no energy leakages and with 100% human potential. The crux is that all of this is relational. It's not transactional, it's not functional, and it's also not instrumental. Relations build in organizations talent. And managing talent means managing the relations. It's like beauty. It's in the eye of the beholder. If you want to make your colleagues a talent, you have to be the beholder of that talent via your own eyes. And like here at Nyenrode, we practice what we teach. And we teach about strategic talent management. And now our HR department also adopted our knowledge and insights. And they make Nyenrode an inclusive organization with this new mindset. Talent makers are impact makers. By doing my research and teaching, I inspire every student, but also leaders, executives, and non-HR managers to become a talent maker. And I love it. You can also become a talent maker and a maker of change. I am deeply motivated to help you and to guide you on that way, leading your way forward. My name is Lidewey van der Sluis. I'm a professor of strategic talent management at Nyenrode Business University.